Today, we're going to go over the basics of how to implement and use the Lockable Properties attribute. The Lockable Properties attribute allows you to prevent accidental edits or changes on finalized properties. When active, this tool allows you to lock or unlock any field with the lockable attribute on it with only a couple of clicks. This tool is easy to include. To demonstrate, we'll use this script here. Here you can see we have several exposed fields that can be changed at any time. Let's change that. First, let's switch to our code editor. The first step we need to do is include the 3Pupper Studios .lockable namespace. Now, all we have to do is add the lockable attribute. Save, and switch back. It's as simple as that. Now, in Unity, you'll notice that the two fields we added the lockable attribute to show up as disabled, as well as having this little lock icon next to them. Because they're disabled, we can't make any changes. We refer to this as the locked state. If we'd like to unlock it, we simply right-click and unlock. And now we can make changes once again. When we're all done, go ahead and right-click one more time on the same property and select the option to lock it. And now the property cannot be changed once again. It's as simple as that.